Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of printing an email with replies in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Gmail app. Step 2. Once you're in the app, locate and open the conversation that you want to print. This can be an email thread with multiple replies or a single email with a reply. Step 3. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them to access additional options. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on More. This will give you access to more actions and settings related to the email conversation. Step 5. Finally, select Print All from the available options. This will initiate the printing process and allow you to print the entire conversation, including all the replies. By following these simple steps, you can easily print an email with all the replies in Gmail. That's all for this comprehensive guide on how to print an email with replies in Gmail. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching, and happy printing!